This is Timmy and Colton. Colton's 13. He's only been here for 2 weeks. He's my nephew from Oklahoma. He's never been in any type of horseback riding or lessons or anything. Toby's my stepson. Timmy is my stepson. Timmy is 13. No, Timmy is 12. And they're on some youngsters there, showing you how they can stand up on the horses. They're doing a really good job. And now Timmy is going to swing his rope on little Jayhawk Misty Moonrock. She's a Welch pony. Let's see you swing that rope, cowboy.
I'm gonna put her away. Not this one. I'll leave this one for Bat. I have to leave.
See you tomorrow.
I'll put Cricket back.
Aiden's just getting ready to leave, so Timmy's there doing a rope trick on top of the pony. Looking good, Timmy, looking good. Alright, that looks great. Good job. This is Sonia and her kids on colts at T-Bar S Horse Ranch and Horsemanship in Silver Lake, Kansas. Give us a call if we can help you with yourself, your kids, your colts, or maybe your spoiled horses that need some retraining. 785-806-9000.